This is like the ultimate school bag or business travel bag. So mainly a wheelie bag, but also has backpack straps. So as far as an overall bag, very high quality material, great zippers, great stitching, even on the handle. It's got like that steel cable that comes across. So if this thing is really heavy, you're not gonna have to worry about your handle like breaking off. The other thing is on the bottom, this is great when you're sitting it up. It's got this little platform here so that it'll actually stay when you set it up instead of tipping over. Now, starting at the front here, you actually have a small little pocket that is padded so you can put things on the front, whether it's your phone, whether it's your wallet or anything like that, quick access. And then the next pocket up, you can zip that thing down. You have spots for your pencils, pens, papers, passports, whatever you need. It also has a clip if you want to clip any kind of keys onto there. Then you have another slot after that, great for putting in any folders or small books. The next one up from that, you can zip this one all the way down. It's got a lot of space in here as well, padded, and it has a spot for like an iPad, which has like a really nice felt to it. So if you have the screen hitting up against it, you're not going to worry about it scratching. And then a spot for your laptop, and it fits laptops up to 17 inches. And then there's the big section of the bag right here where you can put like clothes or any gear or heavier books, anything that you need to put in. This thing opens up nice and wide, and then also has these compression straps. So when you have your clothes or whatever on there, you can tighten it down and make it nice and flat. Then you can zip all of that up. And then one of my favorite features is in the main pocket, there's a spot that you could put like a power bank, and they actually give you USB-A and USB-C cords that go to this outer port. So if you're sitting there at the airport or somewhere and you want to charge your phone, you don't have to have your cable going into a pocket that's open. You just plug it right into this outer port, whether it's USB-C or USB-A. And so you have the handle with the wheelie part. It extends out nice and tall, and you can even just close that up and zip it up if you're not going to use it. And then on the back, you actually have your backpack straps. And then at the bottom, there's a little spot that you can Velcro this on. And then these little flaps over here cover the wheels, so when it's against your back, it's not going to be hitting your back. It has this mesh breathable material, so it's great when you're wearing it as a backpack. It's not going to be making your back all sweaty. It gives it a little bit of breathe to it, and just good quality straps. There's a little tag where you can put your address on the back of that as well. It's got two cup holders on the side that are stretchable. They even include this TSA safe lock, so you can lock your backpack up just to keep it more safe. And yeah, this is great all around. One of the best little travel bags that you can have. Highly recommend it, and thanks for watching.